Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to this quick guide on setting up your Empower 401k. Many employers use Empower as their platform for retirement savings, and getting yours established is a huge step toward building a secure financial future. It might seem a little daunting at first, but don't worry, we're going to break down each step so it feels easy and manageable. This whole process is actually quite straightforward once you know what to look for, and it's well worth your time. Before you dive into the Empower website, take a moment to gather a few important pieces of information. First, look for the specific enrollment link or instructions that your employer shared with you. This is usually found in an onboarding packet or on your company's HR portal. You'll also want to have your social security number and date of birth handy, along with your employment details, like your official hire date and employee identification number. Having these ready will make the registration process much smoother. Once you have your information ready, click on that enrollment link. You'll then look for an option to register or create new user. This is where you'll set up your unique login credentials, so choose a username you'll remember and a strong, secure password. Empower will then guide you through verifying your identity using some of those personal and employment details you just gathered. Take your time with these steps to ensure everything is entered correctly. Now for the exciting part, deciding your contributions and investments. First, specify your contribution amount, often a percentage of your paycheck. Always consider any employer match, as that's essentially free money for your retirement. Next, you'll select your investment options. Many people start with a target date fund, which automatically adjusts over time. Be sure to review the fund descriptions and choose investments that align with your personal risk tolerance. This step is key to your long-term financial growth. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to thoroughly review all your selections, especially your contribution amount and investment choices. Once you're confident everything looks correct, hit that Confirm button. You'll then receive a confirmation email letting you know your Empower 401k is successfully set up and ready to grow. Remember to log in periodically, perhaps once a quarter, to review your account performance and make any adjustments as your financial situation changes. You've taken a fantastic step towards your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.